Hello! This tutorial from the UWL Libraries will show you how to find court cases in the database Westlaw Campus Research. To get to Westlaw, start at the library homepage at library.uwosh.edu and select it from the database's drop-down menu. Westlaw is a large collection of materials including court cases, news articles, legal information, and even business reports. It's best to search for something specific because browsing such a large collection can be difficult. For example, if I search for traffic stops in the search box with the intention of finding a court case related to this topic, you can see that there are thousands of court cases in my results, as well as statutes, administrative decisions, briefs, law reviews, and other secondary sources. It can be difficult to find something specific in this results list, so it's best to either search for specific court cases that you've researched outside of Westlaw, either in class or with Google or Wikipedia, or use the filters to make a more specific search. Let's start by turning this general search into a more specific one. If I click on Cases in the left column, I'm now seeing only results from federal cases. That's because the default search in Westlaw is federal, which I can see in the search bar. So if I want to search state cases, I need to click there to change it. I can now choose state cases, a specific state, or narrow my federal search to a specific circuit. When I change my selection here, I need to click the orange magnifying glass again to rerun my search. I'll click on Cases again to give me additional filters. I can now limit by date or by topic, or choose reported or unreported cases. Unreported cases are those that have not been published in a law report series. I can click on a case to view more information about it, as well as the opinion. At the top are headnotes written by Westlaw experts, outlining the main points of the case. You can click on the headnotes to see related cases and other documents. As you scroll down further, you'll see the full opinion. You can also search for specific cases in Westlaw. You can search for either the citation or the parties. As an example, here's a search by citation. And here is a search for a case by parties. When looking at a case in Westlaw, look for the key cite flag. The flags indicate that the case has some negative treatment, such as being overruled, superseded, or not followed by another court for some reason. You can click on the key cite flag or on the Negative Treatment tab to learn more. If you need additional help finding cases in Westlaw, ask a librarian. You can use the help resources on the library homepage to chat, email, call, or schedule a research appointment with us. Thanks for watching.